A free email, a domain email. What is the difference? Do you want to get the secret to unlock YouTube? We're going to the mail. Hopefully you have an email. That's the first tool we're going to need, is an email address. And then guys, we're going to the email domain. I prefer GoDaddy. You see that's a business email. Click on that to open the business email. That's for a domain. And there you can see your business will look better than ever. Okay, let's click on the Get Started. There it opens. You can see there it's for 1 month, it's 12. And yeah, that's the selected plans you can do. Then you can go to that 1 month, select the 1 month, and you will see on your right hand side the amount change. If you go up to 24, that will be the amount. This is a domain email. So we have the free email, that's Gmail or Yahoo, which one you ever pick, and then it's this domain email. The domain email we must use for autoresponder. But the autoresponder I'm going to show you, it's absolutely free. Yes, up to 1,000 subscribers. So it depends on you which one you're going to need to capture your customers' emails. So guys, let's go over to the autoresponder. Guys, this is the autoresponder. You will see 1 to 1,000 subscribers. That's absolutely free. From there you can upgrade, but to get your business going, yes, that's the thing. It's the dashboard. And then we get a campaign, subscribers, forms, sites, and automation. That is the autoresponder. Let's go to the autoresponder and open this, and let me explain to you the domain first. Let's open the domain, waiting for that. There's it guys, at GoDaddy I get myself a email domain, and yeah, this is only for the guys who want to capture emails. And let's go over to the autoresponder. Let me explain to you how the autoresponder is working. Okay guys, this is an autoresponder. First you get your first page. You will receive the first mail. That's the first one. When he add his name and his email to you, that's the one he will receive. Then he will receive the second mail. Then he will receive the third mail. And then a fourth mail. It depends how many mails you want to send. And yeah guys, in that portion there you will see there's also a date that you can add to delay it for a day or a week. It depends on you. Then guys, we going to the channel to start making money, and that's YouTube. If there was one topic they crave to know more about, it was unlock the secret of YouTube marketing. Now guys, if you want to unlock that secret of YouTube marketing, go on the bottom of my YouTube channel. You will see show more, click it, You will find the links in there. Open that links and you will get the secret. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for logging into this video. And I ask you, subscribe to my channel and remember to click the bell for the next video.